Welcome to our exclusive roundup of the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025, where cutting-edge technology meets seamless cleaning. These top contenders deliver exceptional performance and intelligent features. Watch till the end to uncover a standout innovation. Product links are in the description, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert insights. Number 5. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, a smart vacuum that's redefining home cleaning. With powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and pet-friendly features, this robot promises to keep your floors spotless while you kick back and relax. Let's see what makes it a top pick. The Roomba J9 Plus boasts 100% stronger suction compared to previous models. Whether it's carpet or hardwood, this robot lifts dirt effortlessly. Its 3-stage cleaning system ensures every corner gets attention, making it ideal for homes with pets, kids, or just everyday messes. Thanks to Dirt Detective, the J9 Plus learns your cleaning habits. It prioritizes rooms based on past dirt levels, adjusts suction power, and even increases cleaning passes when needed. It's like having a cleaning assistant that knows your home better than you do. Equipped with precision vision navigation, the J9 Plus identifies and avoids obstacles like cords, socks, and pet waste. It reacts in real time, ensuring a thorough clean without mishaps or interruptions. With POOP protection, the J9 Plus avoids pet messes, and if it doesn't, iRobot replaces it. It also steers clear of pet bowls and toys, letting you enjoy your furry friends without worrying about cleanup. Forget daily bin emptying. The J9 Plus empties itself into a bag that holds up to 60 days of debris. That's 2 months of hands-free cleaning, giving you more time for what matters most. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is smart, powerful, and pet-conscious. If you're looking for a vacuum that truly does it all, this might be your perfect match. Number 4. The Eufy Omni S1 Pro, a sleek, smart cleaning powerhouse. With cutting-edge features and a design inspired by sports cars, this robot vacuum and mop combo promises to transform your cleaning routine. Let's dive into what makes it so impressive. The S1 Pro's Hydrojet system uses ozonated water and a 170 RPM mop to scrub floors with 1 kilogram of pressure. It mimics hand-cleaning precision, removing even invisible dirt and stubborn stains. Real-time mop refreshing ensures spotless results every time, making it perfect for deep cleaning enthusiasts. This all-in-one station handles auto-emptying, washing, drying, refilling, and more. With EcoClean Ozone and LCD touch control, it simplifies maintenance. Plus, it charges 20% faster than previous models, giving you more cleaning power with less downtime. Whether tackling carpets or hard floors, the S1 Pro's powerful suction lifts hair and embedded dirt with ease. It's designed for homes that demand thorough, consistent cleaning performance. Thanks to its square shape, the S1 Pro reaches tight corners and edges effortlessly. No more missed spots, just a complete wall-to-wall clean every time. Inspired by luxury sports cars, the S1 Pro adds style to your space. It's not just functional, it's a statement piece that blends elegance with innovation. The Eufy Omni S1 Pro is a game-changer for smart home cleaning. With its advanced features and stunning design, it's built to impress. Number 3. The Dreame X50 Ultra, a futuristic robot vacuum packed with smart features and serious cleaning power. From climbing thresholds to tackling pet hair, this sleek machine is built to handle it all. Let's explore what makes the X50 Ultra truly stand out. The X50 Ultra's retractable legs help it cross door tracks and obstacles up to 2.36 inches. Shock absorbers reduce impact and noise, delivering a quieter clean. It's perfect for multi-room homes with uneven flooring or tricky transitions between surfaces. VersaLift navigation lowers the robot to just 3.5 inches, letting it glide under furniture with ease. An AI camera and LED guidance ensure precise movement in tight spaces, avoiding obstacles while reaching hidden dust. The Duo Brush system tackles long hair up to 11.8 inches. Its air duct design flings and sucks up strands, while dual brushes provide a deep, quiet clean, no more tangled messes. Powered by a turbo force motor, the X50 Ultra delivers 20,000 pascals Vormax suction, It picks up everything from crumbs to cat litter, all while maintaining a peaceful cleaning experience thanks to its fluid dynamic design. With extended brushes and mops, the X50 Ultra reaches corners and low spaces effortlessly. Its redesigned brush minimizes tangles, ensuring no spot is left untouched, even in the trickiest areas. The Dreame X50 Ultra is a smart, powerful cleaning companion built for modern homes. If you want effortless, thorough cleaning with style, this robot's got you covered. Number 2. The Ecovacs Deebot X11 Pro Omni, a smart cleaning marvel that's packed with innovation. From lightning-fast charging to streak-free mopping, this robot vacuum is built for modern homes. Let's explore why the X11 Pro Omni is turning heads. Say goodbye to cleaning interruptions. The X11's Power Boost charging restores 6% battery in just 3 minutes during mop washing. That means it keeps going, even in large homes without waiting around. It's designed for continuous performance, even at full settings. The Osmo Roller 2.0 scrubs stubborn stains with a high-density nylon roller. TrueEdge 3.0 reaches deep into corners and edges, leaving no streaks behind. It's a mopping system that truly covers every inch. Blast technology delivers 19,500 pascal suction and 38 CFM airflow. It picks up pet hair with 262% better performance than the X9 Pro. Zero Tangle 3.0 keeps brushes clean and tangle-free. The first bagless OMNI station from Ecovacs cuts waste and adds hot water soak washing. Dual solution cleaning ensures deeper, smarter mopping with less effort. Mechanical lever wheels help the X11 climb thresholds up to 0.9 inches and transitions up to 1.6 inches wide. No pre-scanning needed, just smooth, uninterrupted cleaning. The Ecovacs Deebot X11 Pro Omni is smart, powerful, and eco-conscious. If you want a robot that truly does it all, this one's worth a look. Number 1. The Roborock Saros 10R, a sleek, ultra-thin robot vacuum packed with smart features and powerful cleaning tech. If you're looking for a stylish, efficient way to keep your home spotless, this might be your new favorite gadget. Let's dive into the details. At just 3.14 inches tall, the Saros 10R glides effortlessly under beds, sofas, and cabinets. Its compact build eliminates bulky sensors, offering elegant design and superior reach. Perfect for tight spaces, it ensures no dust is left behind. The Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 uses 3D sensing and Vertibeam technology to dodge cables and furniture. It adapts to 108 obstacle types, cleaning with precision and zero fuss. With 22,000 pascal suction and anti-tangle brushes, it lifts dirt, hair, and debris from any surface. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to omnidirectional wheels and smart brush design. FlexiArm brushes and mop extend automatically to clean corners and low spaces. No blind spots, just spotless results. It climbs obstacles up to 4 centimeters and lifts mops on carpets. Brushes rise during charging to keep floors clean and quiet. The Roborock Saros 10R blends smart tech with sleek design for a truly effortless clean.